Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change setting on Twitter only way. Open the Twitter app, tap your profile icon, choose Settings and Privacy, then tap Privacy and Safety to access key options. From there, adjust notifications, direct messages, and discoverability using the toggles and menus. Take it step by step and pause if you need to check each setting, and remember changes save automatically so you can test them right away. Let's walk through privacy and safety options so you control who sees your tweets and messages. Start by selecting Protect your tweets to limit visibility. Manage message requests, muted words, and blocked accounts to shape interactions. Adjust discoverability so people can find you by email or phone if you want. Review ad personalization and data sharing to minimize tracking. Small changes here can make your account much safer and more comfortable. Next, we'll optimize notifications and display preferences to reduce noise and improve focus. Open notifications settings and choose push, email, or SMS options for mentions, replies, and follows. Use quality filter and mute settings to hide low-quality content and repeated tweets. Customize font size, color scheme, and dark mode for easier reading during long sessions. Test changes briefly to confirm they suit your habits, and revert any option that feels restrictive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.